In South Carolina, jury selection is set to begin this morning in Alex Murdaugh's double murder trial. Huge story. He's a disbarred attorney. He's accused of killing his wife and son back in 2021. And this morning, we're hearing gruesome new details that come into light about this prominent legal family. Investigative correspondent Rich McHugh has been following the twists and turns of this infamous case, and he joins us live with a preview. Good morning, Rich.
Hey, good morning, Mitch. Good morning, guys. This is one of the most notorious crimes in South Carolina history. Last night, attorneys for the accused, Alex Murdaugh, said they insist they will prove his innocence so that authorities can find the actual killer or killers.
June 7th, 2021, South Carolina's Low Country. A powerful family with legal roots dating back as old as the county itself, rocked by two murders.
County 911, where's your emergency?
I need the police to answer immediately.
This 911 call from Alex Murdaugh, the family patriarch, summoning police to his family's 1,700-acre estate.
My wife and child just got badly.
They were apparently laughing. There was nothing out of the ordinary. Within 15 minutes, both Maggie and Paul had been brutally murdered.
Alex's wife, Maggie Murdaugh, was shot multiple times with a high-powered rifle, including in the back of the head while she was lying face down on the ground. Their 22-year-old son, Paul, was killed with a shotgun, struck in the head and chest. Then, in July 2022, more than a year after his wife and son were killed, Alex Murdaugh was arrested and charged in their deaths.
Forensic evidence was really what tied investigators to Alex Murdaugh as the top suspect.
Prosecutors say it took Alex more than an hour to call 911. They point to blood spatter on his clothing, and they claim to have video of him at the scene and motive.
Its theory of motive is that Murdaugh committed these two murders to try to buy time for his financial downfall.
Alex has pleaded not guilty. His defense attorneys say there is no DNA.
We're told he's going to flip that narrative and actually tell the jury that they're going to prove Alex Murdaugh didn't do it.
Some here in South Carolina calling the double murder trial of Alex Murdaugh the trial of the century.
Now, jury selection is set to begin momentarily at the courthouse behind me. I spoke to an official here this morning who said they've summoned about 1,000 residents of the county, which is a significant portion of the county residents. The challenge of finding an impartial jury could be quite a challenge, Mitch.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.